Hi, so with this little script here that you can find on my GitHub repository formazione slash utilities, when you launch it, a window will appear made with the Kinter with a simple button. Before you press this button, let me do it this way. Before you press this button, you can, for example, select anything, any text like this, press Ctrl and C to copy this text in the clipboard, then go here and press this button. After a couple of seconds, you should, sometimes it um, it gives you this error here, unable to find token seed, and press it again, and the next time it should work. Nope, do it again. Again, we are faithful. Okay. So you've seen here it works, sometimes it doesn't work immediately. Don't know the reason for it. Maybe you could make the time sleep here a little more longer, maybe the longer it is, the longer you need to make it sleep. I'm not sure about this. Maybe it's connection, something like that, because it goes on the it uses Google Translate API to do this, and so maybe it takes sometimes a little more time. And so that's all. This is the program. Thank you, and see you in the next video.